Welcome to Treasure Hunt Toys. Hi Treasure Squad and welcome back. We're so excited you're here with us today, you guys, because we have an awesome unboxing. L.O.L Surprise has so far come out with 2 vehicles. The Pool Coupe, you guys, car, surprise pool, dance floor, what? Totally awesome. As well as the 2-in-1 Glamper. Whoa, this thing is pretty awesome, you guys. We want to thank Kid Focus so much for sending both of these to us for free. So in today's video, we're going to be opening them both up and checking them out. Let's start off with the Pool Coupe. This thing looks pretty neat and super retro vibes. So it says car, surprise pool, and dance floor. What? I have never heard of a car having all of those cool features. There's black light headlights. It comes with an exclusive doll and tons of other fun surprises. Can we take a moment to check out that awesome pool at the back of the car? Whoa.
Hey BBs, I'm Drag Racer. Check out my new car. It's called the Speedomatic.
Wow, it looks pretty nice, Drag Racer. Look at how shiny and chrome it is. She even comes with her own L.O.L Surprise driver's license. That's pretty cool, and her picture is awesome. It also comes with a really cool little cup holder, which you can clip onto the side like this to place her cup in, or you can also place it onto the side of the pool. Her own really cool racing glasses, a matching racing water bottle, and of course, her super cute little keys. I love her little keychain. It looks like a little kitty. And here's the little key fob with the little buttons. Beep, beep. Now let's check out the car itself. So it has lights that you can pop up and down. So close them if you want to close them and just pop them to open them. It has real moving wheels and they actually feel like a nice rubber. On the side here, it says BB. The pool actually folds out of the back, so let's do that right now. You just open it like this. How cool is that? It has a really cool design inside, and then here is the actual dance floor if they want to have a little dance party. You can take her little cup holder and place it on the back of the pool like this, and then add her little cup for a little sip of water. Super cool! In the front here, she's got her own little steering wheel, a little navigation system, and of course, this little shifter, which if you push it down, it turns on the headlights and turns it off. There's also a little glove box in here, which opens and closes, and there's also folding mirrors. The seats even have the option to sit the L.O.L Surprise tots, or if you push it in, the actual O.M.Gs fit in there perfectly. Now it's time to check out Drag Racer's Blacklight Reveal. We have the lights off. Let's tap the little shifter here to turn on the lights. Whoa, that's so neat, you guys. How cool is that they have working headlights? Let's see her colors. Whoa, they're so neon and so vibrant. Check that out. Look at how her outfit glows. Now that's a really cool feature.
Thanks for checking out my car, BBs. Now let's go check out the Glamper. Wow, that thing looks huge. Ooh.
Now this is my type of camping. Glamping, L.O.L style. Look at all of this, you guys. It comes fully furnished with an exclusive doll, light up pool, water slides, bunk beds, cafe, bathroom, closet, vanity, barbecue grill, DJ booth, and more. There's even lights and sounds. Find me inside. This must be our exclusive doll. There's over 55 surprises inside. I love how it expands into this entire playset as well as folds back into the actual Glamper style. Here's a view of everything that comes inside. Let's get ours out of the box. It's so big, you guys. I have it in 2 parts right now as I'm getting everything assembled. Here's a little sneak peek of what it looks like inside. And look at all of the surprises and blind bags it comes with. Whoa, there's so many goodies. I can't wait to check out what everything is. It also comes with some super cute stickers, and here's our little sticker of who we got. Her name's Strut. I love how these little blind bags look like little backpacks or little luggage, so it's got everything in we need for traveling.
Hi, I'm Strut. Here is my Glamper. Let's check out the outside first.
Here's a quick look at some of the goodies that were inside. So we got a little fridge back here. We got a really cute little TV. She got her water bottle, some blankets and pillows. Oh no, I knocked her over. We got some records for some music, of course some placemats, some clothes hangers, some stickers, which I showed you already, and then of course all of these extra accessories and food bits in here. There's even a little slide, which I cannot wait to hook up and test out. So here's a look at the Glamper out of the box. This thing is massive, you guys. It's so super cool. I love all the different details and the little broken hearts on the wheels. So there are little mirrors on either side. Both of the doors open up just like this. We have 2 seats which actually fold down if you want to do that, and they can actually sit either the O.M.G dolls or the regular tots. There's a little navigation system in there, as well as 2 cup holders for their water bottles. She also has her own little key with a really cute little pom-pom keychain, and this actually comes in and out of the ignition, which I think is such a cool bonus. Now, listen closely, you guys. If you push down this steering wheel, it even has a working horn. There's also a little button here, which is on the dashboard, which if you press it, it actually turns on the headlights. We always want to make sure we can see in the dark. Safety first. Another one of the coolest features that I found so far on the outside of this Glamper is this hidden little doorway. If you open it up, you guys, can you see what's inside? Let's get it out. It comes with its very own little portable barbecue. How neat is this? Now you can get grilling wherever you go, Glamper style. Let's check out the inside. So the front part of this Glamper folds out like this, and it can actually turn into a little DJ booth. The little turntables fold up like this, and you can add your little discs. How super cool is that? Let's get mixing. This also pulls out just like this, so if you want to add your own music, you just have to take your cell phone and you can place it on just like that.
Crank up the music, babies!
Now let's convert the rest of this Glamper. Whoa, 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 you guys. Look at this Glamper converted. Now this is my type of camping. Right at the front here, we have the little dance floor, so you can put your little tots over here. And then there's an extra stand here for your O.M.G dolls. Extra bonus is there's a little button here which you can use to spin your little tots around and around as they perform. This stage also extends out more so that you have more pool fun. Look at that, you guys, a portable pool. How cool is that? You can fill this up with water and your BBs can slide down on this slide and make a huge splash. See these little dots right here? These are actually lights. There's a little hidden button underneath the pool right here that you can press on to turn on and off the lights. That is so cool. In the dark, that would look so awesome when it's filled with water. As we go up here, we have a bed for your O.M.G dolls, as well as 2 beds for your tots or their pets. Back here is a little washroom with a little toilet, as well as a little shower head. Over here is the little glam station. We have a full-length mirror as well as a little vanity. It comes with some makeup, a lipstick, some makeup brushes, as well as some blush and other makeup. And of course, we have some hangers for their clothes. All of these little drawers also open and close, so you can store some of their accessories in it. And over here, we have a little kitchen. This is really cute. You can set up the little TV. On the back here is a little bulletin board. We have our fridge all packed with yummy snacks. And of course, there's 3 stools, so you can have 3 of your favorite BBs there. The best part to this Glamper is when you're done playing, you can easily fold it all back up and convert it right into the Glamper. Another feature that I totally love is you can actually take this pool in and out. It's actually removable so that you don't make any mess if you add water inside. If some of your BBs want to go from the stage over to here without getting wet in the pool, there's actually a little retractable bridge that goes back and forth from the stage to the washroom. We hope you BBs enjoyed this super exciting unboxing of both of the L.O.L surprise vehicles. Don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up, click our subscribe button to be part of the Treasure Hunt Toys squad, and until next time, friends, bye!
Bye, friends! See you later!